how to enable or disable play user interface sound effects on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, you'll have to do is go to system settings. Okay, you can see below. In system settings on left side, go to sounds. Here in sounds, you can see the play user interface sound effect. And the play user interface sound effect is turned off or disabled. Okay, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of this play user interface sound effect. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled play user interface sound effect on MacBook Air.